गोंयांत 12 सी फूड प्रोसेसिंग युनिट्स आसात. तांची वर्सुकी 700 ते 750 कोटींची उलाढाल. फॉर्मेलिनाचे प्रकरणा उपरांत सरकारान गोंयांत नुस्तें आयात बंद केल्ल्यान ह्या युनिटांची अडचण जाल्या.
Maybe 90% or more of what they process gets exported. Most of the material that they pick up for processing is from across the border. Very little, maybe 10, 15 or maximum 20%, depending from processor to processor, would be material that is out of the local catches, the catches from the Goa coast. So with that kind of a situation, if there is going to be a ban on import of seafood, these processing units would be badly impacted, probably economically so badly impacted that they might even need to shut down. The processors collectively are exporting something like maybe 750 crores or 35,000 tons of material in the annum. In the last year, that was the figure. If a processing facility or set of processing facilities, 12 of them in Goa, are going to be affected by supplies, it's going to affect the employment, it's going to affect the trickle-down economic effect, and these sort of situations are undesirable.
सरकारान खंय ह्योय गाडयो तपासपाची वेवस्था जाग्यार घालची. ह्या ट्रान्सपोर्टरांकडेन सगळे डॉक्युमेंट असतात.
So this is something which we have to put up, we are trying to put across to the government, that you could have systems of checks and balances, you could have stringent checks whatever are there, they could be a part of the system, but nevertheless to have a blanket, continuation of a blanket ban is not warranted, and therefore we feel that once the regular ban whichever is there, which allowed the government the time to look at, assess the situation, it allowed the government maybe to put into the processes which are needed. So once that ban comes into the end, then they should be allowed to do that further. Let the import of the fish be there, and they should be allowed to carry on their normal activities, subject to the checks and balances.
सरकारान बंद केला मार्केटांतल्यान लोक खावंक व्हरतात तें नुस्तें. फूड प्रोसेसिंग युनिटांक भायल्यान हाडटात त्या नुस्त्यांचे आयातीक हरकत ना म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान हे पयलींच क्लियर केला. तरी पूण GCCIक नुस्त्यांच्यो फॅक्टरी बंद पडपाचो भंय. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.